A new way to build, a cleaner vision for the future. This is GIGABYTE Stealth. Clean, easy, uncompromised. The X870 AORUS Stealth Ice and B850 AORUS Stealth Ice are finished in pure white, even the memory slots. A massive heatsink shields every component, keeping the board clean and seamless. On the front, zero visible cables. Just your build, your style on full display. Every connector, fans, power, SATA, front I/O has been moved to the back. Rear side layout makes building simpler, cleaner, and smoother. GIGABYTE Stealth is uniquely optimized for broader chassis compatibility, giving you flexibility with less compromise. Power meets precision. The AORUS RTX 5090 Stealth shifts its power connector to the back. Designed to work with any standard motherboard, delivering clean aesthetics and hassle-free installation. GIGABYTE started the stealth revolution in 2022. Today we're working with over 15 chassis brands and 50+ compatible models to create a full reverse connector ecosystem. No cables in sight, no distractions in your way, just a seamless build that's yours to define. Original in stealth.